It's one thing to pull your covers up and enjoy the brisk weather. But it's quite another issue to deal with a failing heating system. If you are unsure why your home's furnace won't kick on, then it may be time to troubleshoot how to your furnace repair yourself with these steps. Over the years, KDM has done lots of troubleshooting, and we put this list of steps together to help you understand why your furnace won't turn on. Check your circuit breakers. The most common issue that can cause furnace problems is if the circuit breaker powering the furnace is tripped. Even if you own a propane or natural gas furnace system, you will need to check the electric source early on in the troubleshooting process. You will need to check the circuits powering your furnace. You can manually check that the circuits are in the on position. If the furnace circuit breakers are in the on position and your furnace won't turn on, you will likely have an electrical issue that you will need to address. Check other electrical devices around your house like your microwave and TV. If these devices are not working, then your power could be out, and you should call your electric company to learn more. Check the circuit breaker for your furnace and other components to ensure the circuits are in the on position. You should be able to find these circuits with your main power panel, which is usually located in your laundry room or basement. Check the circuit breaker on your furnace. You can quickly see if your furnace circuit breaker is on by looking for a small light near the furnace unit's back. Check your thermostat settings. The next step to troubleshoot if your furnace won't turn on is to check your thermostat settings. Here are some points to check to ensure your thermostat is working properly. It may sound silly even to recommend this, but if your furnace doesn't turn on, then you should check that your thermostat is in the on position. Since most thermostats use batteries, you may need to change your batteries. It would be best if you changed your batteries at least once a year or as needed. Clean your thermostat's wiring because sometimes dust and debris will disrupt the electrical system. Check that your thermostat is not on a schedule or cycle that could be preventing the unit from turning on. Ensure your furnace filters are clean. Your furnace relies on a constant supply of clean air to heat your home. Believe it or not, a dirty air filter can prevent your HVAC system from turning on because the forced air system won't supply the heat pump with the air needed to warm your home. Your system relies on constant airflow, and your heating system may not turn on if the system does not get an adequate supply of fresh air. If your furnace filter is clogged, then your furnace igniter can't produce the required air mixture to turn on. In addition, most HVAC systems have a safety feature that will prevent the furnace from turning due to fire danger. Check your furnace pilot light. Most modern furnaces still have a pilot light that indicates gas and propane is flowing into your furnace system. If this flow of gas or propane is interrupted for any reason, your furnace will turn off to avoid leaking gas or propane into your home. Since your pilot light is related to your gas supply, you should talk to a trained Billings furnace company to help you with this furnace repair step. Check your blower motor. One of your gas furnace's critical components is your blower motor because it pushes air through the HVAC system. You can check the blower motor by looking through the little plastic window to see if you can see a blinking green light. If you see a blinking green light, then this means that your heating system will need the attention of an HVAC technician. Be sure to tell the HVAC company about the blinking light when you make the service call.